case study tracing a missing civil engineer. Karlsruhe. Client background: a London-based infrastructure development company contacted Bond Reese to trace a missing civil engineer who had been working on a major transport infrastructure project in Karlsruhe, Germany. Karlsruhe, located in the state of Baden-Württemberg, is known for its innovative urban planning and transportation systems, making it a key city for large-scale infrastructure projects. The engineer was responsible for overseeing the early stages of construction on a new urban tram network expansion. When communication with the engineer suddenly stopped, the company became concerned about the project's progress and the engineer's safety. The investigation. Bond Reese gathered all relevant details regarding the engineer's work schedule, recent activities, and accommodations. The engineer had been staying near the Karlsruhe Palace in the city centre, a well-known historic site surrounded by cultural and business districts. The last known communication was an email confirming a site inspection at a construction zone located near the Durlach district, a historic area on the city's outskirts which has become an important hub for the project's development, digital footprint, and local contacts. Our digital forensics team analysed the engineer's phone records, GPS data, and financial transactions. The last known GPS signal placed the engineer near the construction site in Durlach, but after that, no further communication was recorded. Bond Reese contacted project managers, site workers, and local authorities involved in the infrastructure project to gather more information. Witnesses confirmed that the engineer had completed the site inspection but had not been seen afterward or returned to the project office. On-the-ground investigation in Karlsruhe. Bond Reese dispatched local investigators to Karlsruhe, focusing on the construction zones, transportation routes, and areas surrounding the engineer's accommodation. Investigators also reviewed CCTV footage from public transport hubs and nearby businesses. After following several leads, our team traced the engineer's movements to a rural area just outside Durlach, where the engineer had travelled after inspecting the tram expansion site. Further investigation revealed that the engineer had experienced a medical emergency while driving back to the city and had been involved in a minor traffic accident. The engineer had been taken to a local hospital, but due to confusion about their identity and a lack of immediate contact information, the hospital was unable to notify the company or the engineer's colleagues. Outcome: Bond Reese quickly located the engineer and confirmed their condition, relaying this vital information to the infrastructure company in London. After receiving treatment and recovering from the incident, the engineer was able to resume work on the project, ensuring that the construction schedule remained intact. Why Bond Reese? This case demonstrated Bond Reese's capability in managing investigations in cities undergoing complex infrastructure development, such as Karlsruhe. By combining local expertise, digital forensics, and rapid on-the-ground searches, Bond Reese ensured the safe and timely recovery of the missing civil engineer, allowing the project to proceed without further delays.